Today, I'm going to show you how to adjust the gimbals for the Radiomaster Zorro, the gimbal tension. So, I loosened mine and it makes it feel way better. It's just, if you're flying a lot on sims and stuff, you just want your fingers to feel really relaxed, want it to be easy. I think having looser gimbals just makes me very happy. So if you're finding the gimbal tension, the tightness kind of restricting you a bit, not giving you as much freedom as you want to fly, then this is the video for you. We're going to start off by just telling you that there's these holes in the back and they don't adjust the gimbal tension. They adjust like the tension at the edges. So if you mess around with them, the stick will like end here instead of ending at the bottom, and then every time you try to arm it, you'll have to hold it down. So don't mess around with the screws over here. Just let them be, unless you are noticing that your stick isn't sitting all the way at the bottom. Then you can mess around with that and get that right. But you're going to have to go inside, pull stuff out, and be able to loosen the gimbals like that. It is a little bit tedious, and it took me about an hour to figure it out the first time, and it's been good ever since. So watch the video, do it with me, and we can loosen the tensions together. I have a few tips also, and I sped up parts so that you don't have to, watch the parts where I'm not saying anything. I left the sound in. Tell me if you find that annoying or if it's okay, because it's just like super fast sound, or if you'd rather just have no sound. I didn't really feel like adding music to this video or whatever. It's just too much work, and I want to get more content out to you and just make it, useful for you. And, I guess you guys subscribe and help me out by supporting the channel that way, and in return I just give you solid information, what you need. Come get the information and leave, and not waste all your time with all this chit chat. So all I did was unscrew these screws. You need a little screwdriver. It's hard to get in there. Once you get it off, you got to pull these things. And I think I'd pull them out from the cord, because I tried to like pull it from here, and I don't know if you can see, but it's like things cracked a bit, which sucks. We're gonna have to detach the board. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, it looks like. Okay, let's do this. It's my first time too. This is FPV. You just learn how to do everything. To remember how to screw everything back. Lift that tab before pulling it out. And we got to take all these guys off. Just like there. Those two go to those two, this one goes to this one, that one goes to that one. What the heck? Okay, so this messed me up for a bit, because I'm just like, I feel like I loosened it, and then I had the tension in this when I know the throttle shouldn't have any tension. I didn't know that basically there's a piece here on the radio, a screw that holds this down, and when the screw holds this down, then there's no tension, so you don't have to worry about it that much. But basically this screw, so the two screws that are the highest, and then over here too, this screw and this screw. So by loosening these two screws and these two screws, you loosen the tension of the gimbals. I figured it out! Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
$13, $14, $15. Yeah, much nicer. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I wish the screws were like little hexes or something, because I feel like they're easy to strip. Okay. Very nice. Okay, let's put it back together. I need you to hold it up. Okay, hold it tight. Just to help you make it a little bit easier to know where you're going, these two are on the top, and bottom two actually have these little holes on them. They have the little hole at the bottom, because you got to make sure that they're going in the right way, because you can actually put them in the reverse way with the little ones at least. So this one doesn't have a little notch on it. These two bottom ones have a notch, and then the right one, left goes on the left and the right goes on the right. So that way you have a little system that will work for you, because I could very easily see you taking these off and not knowing which one goes where. The bottom two have notches. The left goes on the left, the right goes on the right. Done like dinner.
Do you want a tea too? No.
You gotta keep it up, please. Yes.
Yes, here we go.
Yes! Yes!